They won't let anyone drive a train, and I know that when I'm given my key and told to go out there by myself for the first time that I'll have earned it. My name's Megan. I used to work in hearing care prior to this job.
Okay, have a seat.
Ooh.
Make yourself comfy.
Yes.
First impressions?
The cab is a lot bigger than it looks from the outside.
By the time I get through the apprenticeship, I will have every tool that I need to get there.
Say you're setting your cab up at King's Cross and your head code is 1 Echo 13.
My name is Rahnum, your training manager for this journey. I've just recently passed out my apprenticeship. It's quite important for this service will be North Allerton. Gave me the opportunity to do the job that I really wanted, passionate about. Everything is fine, there's nothing wrong with the train.
What we want our apprentices to get out of the apprenticeship is an absolute understanding of themselves, of the role of course, but also their own personal development and what they want to do.
Hello there, sir. May I please have your ticket? We've had the opportunity to be with someone who is experienced and learn from them one-to-one, how to deal with passengers, showing them empathy, showing them caring side of you, showing that you're listening to them, and then dealing with incidents by yourself. That is the one-to-one that you can't learn at a school or a textbook.
The railway is an absolutely fantastic place to work. It's very interesting. What we are looking for an ideal apprenticeship is somebody who is passionate about learning, about their development and their career. Whatever they need and want to do, and if it fits with the needs of the business, we will absolutely support that apprenticeship.